Okay, I'm back. Last video, there was commercials and goofy stuff, and I was trying to find things. I know exactly where I'm at this time. The 15-minute video was up, so I had to I have to redo it because there was like only 2:08 showing left on the clock, and by the time I got done with it, there was like a minute 33 or a minute 35 or something. But you didn't see it because time elapsed too fast. Okay. This is a challenge by that girl from the Sporcle. She said she works at Sporcle. So I'm just doing this for her challenge. So, like I said before, I could do this really easy if I just go like right in a row. Bang, 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 bang. Just do each continent at a time. But to make it challenging, I'm just going to bounce around randomly. So, here we go. That's just to make it. My goal is to try to get it in under 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. Here we go with the ads again. All right. Okay. Trying to do Nigeria, and Nigeria comes up. Just like if you try to do Dominican Republic, Dominica comes up. So then you have to do Dominica, then Dominican Republic. All right. All right, what is that there? Well, you know what? I might as well talk a little bit because she was talking during her video. I'll just bounce around. Marshall Islands. You could also do Solomon Islands, but since I'm trying to bounce around, Portugal. Let's say Denmark. I think I already did that. All right, that's Luxembourg. North Korea. Angola. Nope, did that already. Bolivia. Botswana. Gambia. Cameroon. Nauru. South Korea. Lithuania. South Africa. Tunisia. Let's do the Nesias. Tunisia. Malaysia. Indonesia. Micronesia. All right, there we go. We'll do Philippines. India. How about Tajikistan? What is that over there? That is Solomon Islands. And then we'll go with Bahrain, Liberia, Spain, St. Kitts Nevis. What is that? That is Palau. There we go. Taiwan. All right. Turkey is Cyprus. Malta. Maldives. All right. Mauritania. Good movie, Mauritania. I don't know if any of you guys saw that or not. All right. What's over here? Fiji. and then we'll go with Uruguay. Then we'll go up there for Kyrgyzstan. I just look in, and whichever one I see, I just click in. That is Monaco, Tonga, Togo, Benin, Burkina Faso, Gambia, oops, Zambia, Morocco, whoops, what is that up there? That's Poland. What's that? That's Venezuela. That is Seychelles. Cabo Verde, Cape Verde, Laos, Andorra, Sweden, Bangladesh, Norway. What is that? That is Samoa. That is Vanuatu. Paraguay. Saudi Arabia. Yemen. That is Estonia. That is Burma or Myanmar. Bhutan. That is Papua New Guinea. All right. Somalia. Madagascar. Bahrain. Oh, Kuwait. And that one's Iran. That one's Algeria. Senegal. Sierra Leone, Liberia. Oh, you know what I forgot? Guinea-Bissau. Whoops, I guess I forgot Guinea too. And then there's Cameroon. I already got that. Sao Tome, Principe, Slovakia. That is Taiwan, Singapore. What is that? Philippines. That's Vietnam. All right, and what is that over there? All right, while I'm figuring that out, I'll do Israel, Jordan, Palestine. What is that over there? I can't think of it. Timor-Leste, Brunei, Netherlands. Well, it's Ukraine. How do I forget Ukraine like that? All right, what is that? That is Syria, Qatar, Syria, Jordan, Palestine. No, got that. Oh, that's Iraq. The big thing is Iraq right there. Lesotho. Sierra Leone. Bulgaria. Belgium. Thailand. Trying to bounce around. Sudan. Mozambique. Argentina all by itself down there. That is, what is that? Gabon? And then, Equatorial Guinea. All right. What are those? Austria. And what the hell is that other one? I don't know. Ecuador. El Salvador. Costa Rica. That's Zimbabwe. And Swaziland. Peru. What is that? It's got to be Indonesia, no? What is that? No. Oh, it's Singapore. Huh. All right, and that one is Thailand, Laos. That's Cambodia. Cambodia. I don't know. Oh, that's Bosnia-Herzegovina. All right, so let's see here. I need St. Lucia, St. Vincent. I need Jamaica, Jamaica Ma. I need Grenada. I need Uganda. I need Qatar. I need Eritrea. What is that? Belarus? Belarus. San Marino. Trinidad and Tobago. How about Antigua and Barbuda? How about Barbados? Nicaragua. All right, up there. Switzerland. I think. No, I didn't get Switzerland. All right, Switzerland. Hungary. Albania. Armenia. Did I do Azerbaijan? I don't think I did. Okay, we need. Uh-oh. Oh, God, I'm over 10 minutes. Turkmenistan. Nepal. Pakistan. Afghanistan. And Uzbekistan. All right, there we go. All right, that is Kenya, Ethiopia, Djibouti. Hey, you got it right. That is Ivory Coast, or de Côte d'Ivoire. Oops, I did it again. Unreal. Huh. All right, that is South Sudan. Sudan. Are you kidding me? All right, let's see here. How about Guatemala? All right, there we go. Then I'll go back over here for Rwanda. Then I'll go back over there for Haiti. Might as well do Cuba. I don't know what that is. Macedonia. Here, I need to make this quick. How about, did I do Bahamas? Nope, okay. Belize? Nope, I did it. All right, I definitely need Panama. I definitely need Honduras. What's that other one? Ecuador, maybe? No, that looks like Colombia. Colombia. All right, that one over there is really bothering me. What is that? Vanuatu, Nauru. How about Tuvalu? There we go. That looks like Mozambique, Tanzania, and no, Malawi is there. Uganda, Rwanda. Oh, Burundi. And what is this over here? Armenia, Albania, Georgia, Azerbaijan. I don't know what that is. I did Montenegro, San Marino, Croatia. San Marino. Macedonia. What is that? This sucks. Here's me saying I could do it in. I've done it in less than 5 minutes. And you bounce around, and you know, if you get into that set pattern where you're just going from continent to continent, get it done like that. Hungary, Romania. Oh, there's one. Slovakia, Slovenia.